Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to find and restore deleted apps on Android. So in order to do that, you can simply take the help of Play Store. So launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for manage apps and device. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options, overview, manage. Tap on the option manage. Now in the manage interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find the option for this device selected. So what you have to do is simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here. This device not installed. Simply tap on the option not installed. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to see all the applications that you downloaded and deleted later on. So if you want to restore it again, what you have to do is simply check on the box right next to the application that you want to restore. After doing that, what you have to do is tap on the download icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here the application is being downloaded. Now after you wait for a while, you can see over here that particular application will be downloaded again. So that is how you find and restore deleted apps on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.